Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. Today it is a very sunny and cold Saturday morning here in BC, and we're only 7 days away from that big yard car party I was talking to you about. So today we're gonna see if that thing still runs and pull out that car, get that thing ready for the end of its life. Pev came to help.
Yay.
So we're gonna get this thing pulled out. It's got some new paint. It's got a livery on it. And we're all chained up and we're gonna see if we can pull it out. That didn't work.
Actually, no, I'm out of the hole.
Are you out of the hole?
I'm just kind of in the bush.
Okay. Huh. Okay, I think we're good there.
Do ya? Uh-oh.
Let me quickly assess this.
Guess we could put the wheels straight.
A little bit. Just a little bit.
When you tugged her, they fucking cranked all the way left.
Okay, I'm gonna try to go through the tree here. No! What do you mean?
Oh no! I thought that would work, honestly.
I wonder if it's not getting any gas.
That's what I'm thinking. You're on a good little angle. We have a problem.
We have a problem. I got an idea.
Hooray! So if you own a Nissan, just hit it with a stick. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Get going.
Tree.
Very little damage considering though. Just a broken light.
Good light, too.
This thing's almost never let me down other than when the fuel pump died at 1 in the morning out in the bush.
And about 15 minutes ago, she was feeling sassy.
Yeah, and 15 minutes ago. But as long as you got a good pole to hit the tank with, then you're good.
Always have a beaten stick on standby. Lesson of the day.
Yeah, no doubt. Well, thanks for the help, Bev.
No problem, Dad.
We got it out. So it's taken a bit of time and a couple different batteries, but we got her to run. Listen to how annoying it is too. So this is definitely one of the more redneck things I've ever done. I don't have spares for that car, but I do have some wheels with the right bolt pattern and a very small center hole and a grinder. So we're just gonna cut out the centers a little bit and hope it all works out. The grinder worked pretty well. Well, that got sent. That's 2. We got her on there. Looks decent. Perfect fitment all the way around. Got my custom rad battery that fits. It's almost time.